Today we're playing Who's at the Door with Legend of Gammy. Oh, I didn't realise it said press any key. No. I suffer from hallucinations every day. Usually I'm fine, but I need to watch out for these types of hallucinations. Those that don't disappear. 2. Those that chase me. Warning, if they touch me, I'll faint. If it's gone, I'll relax. Take the medicine from the visitor. Space crouch, space crouch, space crouch, space crouch, space crouch. That was fun. If the hallucinations disappear or return to normal, it's safe to open the door. If the hallucinations don't go away, take meds instead. Nice room. Why are you crying? Is it because Uncle is sleeping? You should really just get a switch for that light. Body shower. Yes. Hello, boy. I like your face. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess you need to just see if... Oh, you fucking piece of shit! Well, that's not fair. Oh my god, I weren't expecting that.
We will keep reporting on this case.
Does the TV on mean that I'm hallucinating? The victims were severely mutilated. Who could have done such a thing and why? Well, you tell me. Body shower. Yummy. Well, you're a lovely looking lady man. Well, the only thing that I've seen that's different is that the TV was on when I first got in the room. I'm going to open the door. Ah, pleasant. Well, that wasn't there before. Sunshine Clinic. Oh, Korean. Okay. The name seems familiar. Could it be someone I know or just a figure from my imagination? I don't know. You're mental, mate. What? Don't know why I did that. Right, okay, well, we must be hallucinating because that thing's not disappeared. Take my medication. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Hey! He's got a hairy tongue. Must be uncomfortable. Am I hallucinating? Just open the door. Let's open the door. And then we'll see for next time when we find doll parts. not going to say it. Why can't I pick that up? Oh, the door's shut. Body shower. Well, that's not creepy at all. Oh, that's nice. That light's already on. Oh. What is she doing? Oh, that is fucking creepy. That is shit. Hello. Someone's knocking at the door. Somebody's ringing the bell. Oh, fuck off. Well, he's hallucinating. One day she confided in me about a man who followed her every night. He might be a stalker. Come stay at my place. For a while, it's closer to the bar, you know. She first looked at me hesitantly, but then agreed. It's time to make your dream come true, little lady. He's a bit of a creep, this guy. Or am I the creep you're talking about? I guess we'll never know. Body shower! You're my son. Well, you used to be. Whoa. I picked up the doll's head, didn't I? Don't get too close. What the fuck do you mean? I didn't realise that kept changing. Don't get too close to what? I must say, I like your style. Don't move. Are you staying there? Okay, good boy. I don't trust this fool. Body shower. Oh no. Has he moved? I can't look through the peephole. Doesn't matter. We know what to do. If I hide, it will disappear on its own. Ah. I'm hiding. Yes. Yes. She's gone. Right. She disappeared. That means that can only mean one thing. Today, he's fine. He's absolutely fine today. Wow. I bet I'm fucking wrong. No. No. We got it. Yeah. Oh, hi. Oh. He's still disappeared. So at the moment, we're fine. Give me my pills. How many pills do I need? I've got a whole fucking thing of pills next to the door. How did I miss that? Did I miss that? Or did it get put there? He was there. Where's your head? Bring me his head, my son. You can fuck right off. Falling for your shit today. Oh, count your fucking blessings, my friend. Bing bing. Burp burp. Bing bing bing. Bing bing bing. This is a nice corridor. Boom. Oh. Ooh. Yummy. Nice eyeball. Will I really be able to find out more about Bori? I'm not reading these quick enough because I keep looking at myself. On Streamlabs. Nope, one creepy doll outside. 1 million inside. What shall I do?
Don't move. You'll mess up that flawless skin. If you keep moving, you might not turn out as pretty.
Pretty lady. That's the
Information becomes available. We will keep reporting on this case.
Shut up. Could I be held captive like those people in the news? Why was you not knocking at my door? Why didn't you do that first? Body shower. I think we're good. Thank you, lovely lady. Hey, how you doing, huh? Eh? What you doing, huh? I think we're good. What did I miss? What did I miss? God damn it, Dale. Fuck you. Oh! Oh, you fucking bitch. Right, I've disappeared, so, I think I'm good to open the door. Shit my pants in. There you go. Are you okay, sir? What's the matter? Good. Good. just gonna sit there. Okay. Would you like a cup of tea? Beans on toast? A scone? Looks good. I think. Oh! It's... Ah! Are those normally there? Oh my goodness. Look at all the blood on the floor. I'm definitely going to open the door now. Oh, he disappeared actually. I wonder if we look through the peephole now, we're going to see Mrs. Trinidad. But you look through the peephole and you're still seeing this, so that's got to be pills all day long, isn't it? Right? Yeah. Day 9. Was this Tagu also a victim of that doctor? Oh, another doll pointing towards the corridor. Thank you. Hello. Oh, you're so silly. Wait. You done in there? What now? Fuck you, man. Stay there. I need to go for a poo. Aha. Body shower? Excuse me. No. Oh. I actually prefer the place like this, personally. You know what time it is. Are you okay? You just taking a nap? Yeah? Oh, you're so cute. Your nice pearly whites. Well, I gotta go now. See ya. Oh, whoa, hey, what the fuck? Whoa, you fucking... piece of shit. Oh. Can I get my baby's head out of there now? Why is this light off? Oh, front door's open. What's next? Ming. Meow.
Where is this place? Why are you all here?
Well, at least you won't be hallucinating anymore. Well, I am Legend of Gammy. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, please hit the subscribe button. That will help me a lot. Comment in the comment section, and I look forward to making plenty more videos. Yummy.